Yes, sir. And now all your homes are brand new, right? You don't do any resales?
Well, we've been around for 13 years,
Okay.
and so we started doing build to rent back in 2011,
Okay.
and we were actually the first operation to do the build to rent model. It actually
Nice.
started. It's in. We bought about maybe 45 or 60 lots in Arlington and Oakwood Villas. And
Okay.
that was really the genesis of build to rent. So since then, build to rent for us has been our focus. So if you see, if you were going to buy assets from us or any of our clients, the vast majority of what they're picking up today are all brand new construction. But we were doing a lot before brand new construction came into play and build to rent
Mm,
came into play.
okay.
So we managed about a little over 3,100 homes, and um, there are a lot of renovated homes that we manage,
Okay.
but we're building about 400 new construction properties this year. That's up from about 200 last year, and we probably did 150 the year before. So
Nice.
we're much bigger into new construction today, and it's really only, I think, going to ramp up
Okay.
uh, for
Excellent.
us.
So as an investor side, that's pretty good because you get a home warranty from the builder if anything goes wrong with the home. And that's
Yeah.
that still fall into place with the tenant inside. So if anything happens, you could just put it on the warranty.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, and to be fair, I mean, it's not like you're not going to have any expenses because,
Right, of course.
it's not a home warranty. A builder's warranty after a new construction house is not going to cover, your resident, having normal wear and tear for a
Right,
while.
right, right,
Um, but yeah, to your point, warranties are always a great thing.
right,
You have a brand new home. It's not like you have deferred maintenance, which is what some people have to worry about with a rental property. You
right,
have It's a brand new home. It comes with a builder's warranty in place, and you have a resident in there who signed up to be there a long time. So chances are they're going to take care of the home a little bit better, and
right,
your maintenance and your vacancy costs are going to be a lot lower is what the goal
right.
is.